Alright, so we're going to install the fairy house today. What we have a bunch of rocks. It's like river rock of various size that I pilfered from around our garden already. I have a cleared space here in the corner. There's all the mulch around it, but that's where the house is going. Then we have the plant I got for the middle of the fairy house. I have a whole bunch of moss that I also pilfered from the side of our house. And then we have, of course, the fairy house that I worked on stream the other day. I added a little bit more color and stuff to it. And then I also made this little footpath that I'm going to put leading up to the door once we do the installation. So again, here's the filament spool, and we're going to dig a hole and put the plant in the middle.